Your account is already registered in another phone in GCash account problem solved. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem of yours. So to know how you can solve this, first of all, you have to register your GCash. If you have already registered your GCash in some phone and you try to log into the other phone and it shows you the problem that your GCash account is already registered in other phone, then how can you unregister it is by following the follow steps. On your GCash app, tap on the profile option. Now select the setting option, tap account secure option. Now tap unregister phone option. If you unregister phone, now review and confirm all the details and tap yes unregister and take your selfie, scan or enter the OTP. Now you will see the page confirming the successful registration of your phone. You will also get an SMS confirming your phone has been unregistered on your GCash account. Now by doing this, you can register your GCash on the other phone and then your problem is solved just like that. So that's how you can do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.